Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can export session to MP3. So now we will use the selector tool to highlight the section of the timeline you want to export. If you want to export the entire song, ensure no small clips are accidentally selected, or you can press Ctrl Alt plus A, or you can on the Mac CMD options plus A to select all. Now head over here to the file and then bounce mix. Shortcut is Ctrl Alt B, or for Mac is CMD option B. Click on it. This window will pop up right over here. Now we will select some presets if we have it. Then file name, export type, I will put MP3. Then we have mix source, so stereo. Audio, it's okay. File format, you can select here this one, which is checked interleveled. This ensure a single stereo file instead of two mono files. So I will leave it like that. You can select sample rate, and yeah, basically this is what I can. If you have options, you can bit depth also adjust. So 16-bit is common, though MP3 encoding will handle the compression regardless. So yeah, file destination, set up this, and yeah, then when you are finished with that, just hit bounce. Now here you can also set encoding quality, then bitrate. So this one 320, type, and then you can also add some information and click OK. And this is basically it, how you can export in MP3. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the